Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we're diving into the power rule of logarithms, a simple yet powerful tool to help you work with logarithmic equations. Let's simplify this step by step. Now this is the power rule. The power rule tells us that if you have a log with an exponent on the inside, you can simply bring the exponent in front on the outside to act as a multiplier, as you can see over here. It's super useful when simplifying complex log expressions or solving equations involving logarithms. Now let's see this rule in action. Now for question 1, we have log to the base 3 of x to the power 4 is all equal to 12. And now using the power rule, as we have over here, I'm simply going to take down the exponent of 4 out into the front. And we're simply going to have 4 multiplied by log to the base 3 of x is all equal to 12. And now, in order for me to isolate log to the base 3, I'm simply going to divide both sides by 4. Because what you do on one side, you have to do on the other. And I'm going to have log to the base 3 of x. And 12 divided by 4 is simply equal to 3. And now that I have this, in order to remove the log on this side, all I need to do is that I need to use a base of 3. And what I do on one side, I also have to do on the other. And using the base of 3, because I'm dealing with a log of base 3, they will end up cancelling each other like that. And I'm going to have x is equal to 3 to the power of 3 because of what we have over here. And now that we have this, we know that x is equal to 3 to the power of 3, which is simply equal to 27. And that is our answer. And in order to make sure that our answer is correct, all we do is that we plug in our answer at the x spot over here, and you should get a final answer of 12. And the second equation we have is 2 multiplied by log base 2 of x to the power of 3 plus log to the base 2 of x is all equal to 14. And now using the power rule over here, all we do is that we simply bring the exponent out into the front and it'll act as a multiplier. And I'm going to use the rule in this case over here. So I'm going to end up having 2 multiplied by 3, as 3 is my exponent, right? It's just brought down in front as a multiplier, multiplied by log to the base 2 of x plus log to the base 2 of x is all equal to 14. And that simplifies to 6 as 2 times 3 is equal to 6 of log to the base 2 of x plus log to the base 2 of x is equal to 14. And notice over here that we simply have what we call like terms, right? So in this case, if I have 6 oranges or 6 apples plus 1 apple, I'm simply going to get 7 apples, right? So in this case, I have 6 logarithms to the base of 2 of x plus 1 logarithm to the base of 2 of x. It's simply going to give me 7 logarithms to the base of 2 of x is equal to 14. Now we're going to divide by 7 on both sides, and we're going to have log to the base 2 of x is equal to 14 divided by 7 is simply equal to 2. And now in order to remove the log, all I do is I use a base of 2. What I do on the left hand side, I must also do on the right hand side. And the base of 2 will cancel out with log of base 2. And I'm going to get x is equal to 2 to the power of 2. And 2 to the power of 2 is simply equal to 4. And that is my answer. And all I do is that I simply plug my answer 4 into my equation above over here, in my x spots over here and over here, and I'll get a final answer of 14. Thanks everyone for tuning in. And here are extra problems for you to try out. Leave your answers in the comment section or email me at tutornext.success@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, with me, Tutor Next, simplifying success one question at a time.